Explore the options, make it more unique and attractive in that way. Let's find another designs. Use the shapes here. Using another structure, I will take the designs here. Click on editing. Let's take an attraction there. Now we will take our pen tool design here to explore the different options. Fix an angle there. Use our paint on it. So let's take the designs. It's the other option. Make some different structure here. Use the designs here.